Welcome to AutoReview Pro, where we bring you the latest car reviews, features, and expert insights. Stay tuned as we explore the world of automobiles. Today, we're diving into one of the most exotic and jaw-dropping creations in the luxury travel world, the 2026 Lamborghini RV Motorhome. Known for pushing boundaries in design and performance, Lamborghini has taken its DNA from supercars and reimagined it into a motorhome that combines extreme luxury with breathtaking performance. The exterior, the 2026 Lamborghini RV Motorhome, is unlike anything else on the road. It carries Lamborghini's signature sharp, aggressive lines and aerodynamic proportions. The front end boasts a massive hexagonal grille, flanked by Y-shaped LED headlights inspired by the Huracan and Aventador design language. The sculpted body panels and angular side vents give the RV a futuristic look, while the low-slung stance sets it apart from traditional motorhomes. The motorhome sits on 23-inch alloy wheels with Lamborghini's signature Y-spoke design, adding to its athletic personality. Its two-tone paintwork with contrasting accents enhances the sporty vibe, and a large panoramic windshield provides a commanding view for the driver while emphasizing the sleek, modern silhouette. Step inside, and Lamborghini has spared no expense in creating an interior that feels like a luxury penthouse fused with supercar DNA. The cabin is draped in Alcantara, carbon fiber, and premium Italian leather stitched with Lamborghini's signature hexagonal patterns. The living area includes fully reclining leather lounge chairs, a high-tech entertainment system with massive OLED displays, and a customizable LED ambient lighting system that mirrors Lamborghini's vibrant personality. The kitchen is compact, yet fully equipped with modern appliances, including a high-efficiency induction cooktop, refrigerator, and espresso machine. The master suite is pure luxury, featuring a king-sized bed with Alcantara finishes, Lamborghini-branded upholstery, and a panoramic skylight above. The bathroom offers spa-like comfort, complete with a rainfall shower, touch-sensitive smart mirrors, and marble-style surfaces. It's a blend of performance-inspired design and unmatched comfort, making it ideal for long journeys in ultimate style. Under the hood, the 2026 Lamborghini RV Motorhome delivers the kind of performance you'd expect from the Italian automaker. Power comes from a V12 hybrid engine producing an astonishing 800 horsepower, paired with advanced all-wheel drive. Despite its size, this motorhome accelerates with authority and handles highways with remarkable stability, thanks to Lamborghini's Futuristic adaptive suspension system. The integration of hybrid technology allows for short electric-only travel, making it eco-conscious while still delivering thrilling performance. With features like adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and semi-autonomous driving, it combines Lamborghini's driving excitement with the latest convenience and safety technology. As for pricing, the 2026 Lamborghini RV Motorhome sits firmly at the top of the luxury motorhome market. Starting at around $950,000, it can exceed well over $1.5 million with bespoke customization options. Lamborghini offers extensive personalization through its ad personam program, allowing owners to choose unique materials, finishes, and layouts to create a truly one-of-a-kind motorhome. In summary, the 2026 Lamborghini RV Motorhome isn't just a luxury vehicle, it's a bold statement of style, performance, and exclusivity. With its aggressive exterior, ultra-premium interior, powerful engine, and advanced technology, it redefines what it means to travel in a motorhome. For those who want to combine the thrill of Lamborghini with the comfort of a luxury RV, this masterpiece is in a class of its own. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe too. AutoReview Pro for more exciting insights into the world's most innovative vehicles. For more detailed insights into the world's most luxurious and innovative vehicles.